What's up, everybody? Welcome to episode 4 in the Project Miata build series. Episode 3, we pulled the engine out, and as you can see, we are not in my garage anymore. I'm teaming up with GarageQuinnMotors. He's going to help me go through everything, all the seals, gaskets. We're going to take the intake manifold off, header off, motor mounts, oil pan, everything. We're going to freshen up the whole block, paint everything, make it look minty fresh. So stay tuned, let's get to work. We got the engine flipped, now we have 18 bolts to take out of the oil pan, 10 millimeters. So now I'm going to take some brake cleaner, clean this nastiness up. Got the oil pan pretty clean with brake cleaner. Now we're going to take our scraper, scrape off all the old gasket material. And take your time with this, you want to do a good job. That's what I'll be doing for the next hour or two. So for all these little channels in here, take a little flathead, tiny little flathead, and just get in there, scrape it all out. Real nice. So this part is a little above and beyond what you probably need to do, but I have a Dremel with a stainless steel brush. It'll focus. No, it likes my face more. But anyways, this Dremel with a little stainless steel head on it. And what I'm doing is just cleaning out all the threads in the block. So you can see the difference between one of the threads that I cleaned out already versus one that I didn't, with all the sealant stuck in the threads. Alright guys, I'm going to close this video out here. If it looks like I'm crying, it's because I just got carbon choke cleaner in my eyes. So don't mind that. So I could tell you that I did this in a couple hours, but realistically, leave yourself like, I don't know, 4 to 6 hours to do this if you want to do it right. Clean everything out with carbon choke cleaner. Get all these edges nice with a Brillo pad, maybe some simple green or something like that. Just try and do a good job, because when you get this thing all back together, you do not want to leak. That's the last thing you want to have. So from here, next video, we're gonna put the oil pan back on, seal it up, do the oil pump, and continue getting it ready for paint. So stay tuned for the next episode. Take it easy.
Bye, Ryan.
Bye.
Bye.
P.S. If you want to see all the technical bits for this, like the nitty-gritty torque specs, how to do everything right, check out GarageQuinnMotors on YouTube.
Oh, shit.
He's the man behind the camera.
Oh, my God.
Now. Yeah.
Bro, don't call me out like that.
Check him out. We're going to be doing the technical videos in this build. And on my channel, we're just going to be keeping you up to date, kind of vlog style, kind of more chill. But yeah, all right, that's all I had to say. Good night.
You guys can listen to me talk nonstop.